Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your business bank accounts and credit cards in Xero, even if you're a complete beginner. I'll be using the Xero demo company, so you can follow along without adding real bank details. 1. Log into Xero. On the dashboard, click the demo company option if it pops up. If not, go to your top right profile icon to My Xero to Try Demo Company. Now we're inside Xero with sample data. 1. On the top menu, click Accounting. 2. Select Bank Accounts. Here you'll see any existing accounts. We'll add our own example business bank account and credit card. 1. Click the blue Add Bank Account button. A list of banks appears. Type your bank name. If you're using demo mode, choose any bank, HDFC, SBI, Chase, etc. Select Add a Bank Account manually, because demo won't allow real login. Now fill in the fields. Account name, business checking account. Account type, checking. Account number, enter any fake number. Demo accepts it. Click Save. You will now see your bank account added to the Bank Accounts page. 1. Click Add Bank Account again. 2. Search your bank or choose Add Credit Card manually. 3. Enter details. Account name, business credit card. Account type, credit card. Account number, any sample number. Opening balance, leave blank for demo. Click Save. Now your credit card appears as a separate account tile on the page. Once the bank and credit card accounts are created, you can import transactions manually, reconcile business expenses, categorize credit card spending, and match deposits and payments with invoices. Your dashboard will also show bank balances, credit card balances, and reconciliation status. In the demo company, you cannot connect live bank feeds, but you can upload bank statements, practice reconciliation, edit accounts, delete or add more accounts. Perfect for learning before using your real business file. And that's it. You've successfully set up business bank accounts and credit cards in Xero. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial I should make next.